Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction OMillionaire 25 August 1 to 10 1 2 4 7 and 10. 4 is new number. 11 to 20 13 14 15 17 19 and 20. 21 to 30 21 23 24 25 26 and 29. Previous result 12 26 30 35 37 42 and 43. 12 okay, 26 okay and 35 okay. Only 3 number match. 1 to 10 no number also passed. Previous result on number repeat this draw 26 35 or 37. 31 to 40 31 32 34 36 38 and 40. This is my prediction number. Here 19 29 important number I write here. In this draw 19 29 39 select on number, and I all repeat again. Last draw one number will repeat. If you select 37, add 26 or 15, also 40. Your number selecting time, don't select continuous number 1 2 13 14 15. Select 1 or 2 13 or 14 or 15. Select like that. In this draw maybe 1 to 10 two number, 41 to 44 no number. 4 20 36 this is new number. Maybe this draw new number, 2 new number will come. 26 31 important, and also you see the previous result 2 6 22 2 9 6 22 12 6, 16 6 22 10 2 12. Next 10 also will come, more chance. 2 13 24 select one number, don't select all number. 1 23 34 like also select one number, don't select all number. Thank you, thanks for watching. Good luck all of you. Please subscribe my channel.